Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here. The one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people. That video you see there, my people. You understand? And if you can look, you know, you see the first one, you see one like a car on camera. You see a motorcycle a shoot. And that's a police van, you know, my people. I chase the motorcycle. And then after that, you see another footage, my people, and basically that the aftermath is a crash where the police van managed to turn over on the motorcycle, my people. Well, them said the rider who was on the motorcycle, him and a pillion, but the pillion managed to survive. But for the rider, my people, him not managed to make it. Or for the owner, as I want to say, of the bike, him not managed to make it. When checks were done, them say he's a 19-year-old TikToker, popular Jamaican TikToker. You understand? And when we do go over there, we say he might generate some good views. So yeah, he have a popularity, no joke about it. And this happened in a Kingston address, Jamaica, my people. As me tell her, he was 19 years old. And it happened on Saturday, the 26th of October 2024. But you don't know me, I'm going to give me take to the whole story, the whole incident. But I saw an article right now, my people, where the family of this Jamaican TikToker is blaming the police officers for his untimely death. Zane, as me tell people, he was just 19 years old. Manage here, do him thing, manage, you know, and them say him recently purchased the motorcycle, so him recently purchased it, and he was planning to put it in a career service to get the extra money, like do delivery thing and so. But for some reason, maybe him and him friend go do a look link up, a look check, and them are rolling back, you know what I mean? Don't have no helmet and them thing, the police signal them for stop. Him say, no, I'm not getting a ticket, them not take on my bike, you know, police always take a bike and them thing there. So him say, yo, they not go take on bike, and him say, you know what? Then me I go do this, and that is it, my people. Him just manage to come, so boom, right off, and sadly, him drop out, my people. But as I say, the family now, they're angry, my people, and they are mad with the whole thing, because they must say, yo, this youth, him never should have got so, and the police them fault cause this. So let me read this whole thing so you can understand what them are trying to say, my viewers and subscribers. See? And it said, when Jai Morrison purchased his motorcycle last Friday, his aim was to get it registered to a courier service so he could earn an additional income. The 19-year-old TikToker, who goes by the name Kemar YG, uses earnings from creating content on the platform to make the purchase. Just last week, he told his younger sister Kyra that he was going to take care of her and make their lives comfortable. But Jaim will never get a chance to fulfill his promise. He died on Saturday night following a police chase along Woodpecker Avenue in Kingston 11. Another man was, as well as a few police officers, also sustained injuries. When the news visited Cockburn Gardens community yesterday, the police were clearing a roadblock that the residents had mounted to protest Jaim's death. They alleged that officers used their vehicle to knock the men off the motorcycle. Over on Guava Road, some of Jaim's loved ones were preparing for a candlelight vigil. Among them was his father, Martin Morrison. He wore a weary expression as he set aside a bag with Sprat and other food items. A taxi me drive, and sometimes I give them the boss money and have to go hustle it back after. Me had sleepless nights, and when me remember how sometimes me have to park and come cook for them and go for them at school, and now my son just dead like that, Morrison lamented. According to police reports, Lawmen from the St. Andrew South Operations Section were on a patrol in Cockburn Gardens area when they observed a motorcycle carrying a pillion passenger who was behaving suspiciously. The officers signaled the motorcycle to stop using flashing lights, sirens and horns. When the driver did not comply, a pursuit ensued along Woodpecker Avenue. During the pursuit, the driver reportedly lost control of the motorcycle, leading to the collision. The police vehicle then collided with a wall while attempting to avoid the motorcycle. The Jamaica Constabulary Force extended its sympathies to Jaim's family and friends as well as to those injured. Morrissey said while he acknowledged the gesture, he remains adamant that his son was chased and struck from his motorcycle and killed in cold blood. Sympathy cannot bring back my son, but I accept it if it is coming from the bigger head. What I want is for the officers involved to talk the truth about what really happened. We are going to block the road every day until we get the attention. A senior cop say he is behind me 100% and he did not speak to us nice, to be honest. If his actions match up to his words, I believe we will get justice, he said. The distraught father said when he got the news that Jaim was in an accident, he initially thought he received a few scrapes and bruises as he had fallen off motorcycles before. My daughter get a call, say him get lick off his bike. Me go to the hospital about 2 a.m. and me never did expect this. Me no have $1 for this, he said. A bicycle my son a come from, until him get a work at the wholesale and buy one bike and sell it, then buy a next one. And now him decide to buy a bike and put in a business. And him just move it off for one night, Morrissey added. Another relative recalled rushing from his yard when he heard the commotion and was shocked when he got word that his family member was involved. He was crying for his chest and belly while the other guy wasn't moving. One at a time, him say, if me not make it, tell my family me love them, the relative said. A neighbor described Jaim as a well-mannered, jovial youth. You just couldn't be sad around him. He was always cracking jokes and was a good person to be around. When you see the entire community come out and block the road before the family, you must know how good was he, she said. My viewers and my subscribers, really and truly it's a sad one. 19-year-old, you understand? And based on in TikTok what I say my people, is a jovial youth. You know what I mean? Youth always are doing like a joke thing them. I don't see my show off no badness man, TikTok or no gangsterism or them type of thing there, you understand? But if you tell you the truth my people, and this is what I go say, right? When they wrong, they just wrong on a real level. And if then they just stop on a real level, just stop, this would never happen. Right? Just stop. Maybe you buy it not straight, maybe they not no helmet or something, but just stop my people. You see it? You know you're good, you know you're clean, and but I understand the next thing, them no want to lose them bike, them no want to get locked up, and the next thing and the next thing. Not true. They are young, 19-year-old. And so be the case. As well the police report say, them lost control of the bike and them knocking at the wall, them try to avoid them and then them boom, go this or whatever. But I'm saying my people, if it go where the police use the police van to knock the bike, that's well, that is totally wrong. And justice need to be served. But if it go the way where the police was chasing the bike and the bike managed to knock, you understand my people, well, it's just sad and unfortunate. And just truth is the truth, my people. In a Jamaica, in a now, my people, motorcycle, yeng are one of the most common automobile or transportation criminal use to conduct their activities across Jamaica, my people. And especially in the corporate area like Kingston, Jamaica. So when a police here yeng 2 men on it, my people, and them signal it for stop and them see the young like push off and continue, then the police really and truly are going to become suspicious of this motorcycle. And then they're going to give chase, my people. Crime is a very big thing in Jamaica. You understand? And the police, soldiers, security forces, ministers, they are trying their best to get this thing under control. But as I say, my people, if them signal it, to stop, right? And him don't stop, him still continue, and then, my people, honestly, who can we blame? It's just sad. And I want to send out my deepest condolences to the family. You understand? But as I said, if the police managed to knock it there, so and go, they say, well, my people, justice need to be served here. And the family do deserve an answer. But For now, I would just say it's just an unfortunate situation, and it's sad. He's just 19, doesn't live a life as yet, my people, and I'm just sending my condolences to the family. And may his soul rest in peace, and the truth shall be told, and hope they get the justice that they are looking for. Honestly, and that's my take. And youths, just careful. Get the bike straight if you have one. Just wait till you get it straight. Get a helmet, do the right thing. You understand? Police signal if you stop, just stop. That is it. But people, remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and to the NEWLINK Production Official. One team, one dream, one scheme. Peace out. Be safe. You don't know. It's sad, but only just season knows the people. Blessings.